Hello, my name is Adamari, and this is my partner Michael, and we're going to do a TCP three-way handshake using Wireshark. We're first going to start off with getting the IP address of the computer. So we're going to go to command prompt and type in ipconfig space off. And we're going to look for the IP address of the computer, which is this one, right? And we're also going to get the MAC address of the computer, which is this. And pull it. And in this lab, we're going to show the three-way handshake between the PC host and the web server. And a three-way handshake establishes that the destination device is on the network, and it makes sure that the destination can send and receive requests to the source by using a specific port number. And I'm going to hand it over to my partner.
Alright, so hello everyone. So to start off, we're going to open up a Google web browser, but we're not going to actually type in the address just yet. And you want to make sure you have Wireshark ready to go. And when you do, you want to pre-type in the Google address before starting. And then we will hit start on Wireshark and press enter. And once the website loads, we pause Wireshark, hitting the stop button. And that is our first step completed. Next, what we want to do, first, we need to check what the lab is. So it is asking what is the IP address of the DNS server that the computer queued for. So we're going to look for that. It says frame 11. So, so it would be this link right here. And it shows that it established a connection with Google, and we can show our IP address and the destination. And now it's asking what the IP address for the Google web server is, and we can check on Wireshark as well. Now we're going to look for TCP, and we're going to type that into the filter, web browser part of Wireshark. And as we scroll through, we should see all the TCP filters. And we're going to be looking at these two gray highlighted texts specifically for this lab. Now we're going to click on frame, and then we're going to hit the down arrow, and we're going to look at what the TCP source port number is, and it says 49696. How would you classify the source port? Usually assigned dynamically by the client's OS. When a connection to a service is indicated, the dynamic part is the used to identify the client application during communication, or dynamic, basically. And it says, what is the TCP destination port number? That would be 443. How would you classify the destination port? These numbers are reserved for services and applications. They are commonly used for applications such as web browsers, emails, clients, and remade access clients, or well known. Which flag or flags is set? And if we look, we can see SYN set. What is the relative sequence number set to? One. Now it's asking us what are the values of the source and destination ports. It says source port, which we established was 49696, and the destination port is 443. Oh, okay, so this, okay, we made an error. Okay, so that asked us to click next on the Wireshark for the next packet. So we need to look. And now it's saying the source port number is 443 and the destination is 49696. And it's asked which flags are set. If we look, see, one flag is set. And that one flag is the acknowledgement set. Which flag or flags is set as we examine the third and final packet of the handshake? We have acknowledgement set 1. And there's a sequence 1. And now we're down to the reflection. There are hundreds of filters available in Wireshark. A large network could have numerous filters and many different types of traffics. List 3 filters that might be useful to a network administrator. 3 would be probably HTTP. There's UDP and DNS, I think. What other ways could Wireshark be used in a production network? Basically, it could be used to make sure that your connections have been established and to make sure you have a proper connection to your website, the website you are trying to connect to, basically. And it allows you to see incoming traffic as to why your internet speed may be slow as well. Those are main factors. And that was a lab on Wireshark 3-way handshake. And we're done.